Very dark man. I hear what you talk. You talk say that you will not talk about Nigerian politicians, that you will not talk about our politicians. Simple say that you are afraid to talk about them because you know say if you drag them, then go delete you out of this earth. Who are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani men that have been slaughtered thousands of soldiers, thousands of Christians, thousands of Nigerians? Who are the people that are sponsoring them? Is it not our the same politicians? Who are the people that high fuel price, petrol? Who are the people that cause trouble in this country called Nigeria? Hardship everywhere. Is them. They are the problem. Our problem in this country is our politicians. Now them cause tribalism in Nigeria. Now them cause this tribalism in Nigeria. One politician with $2 million, billions of dollars, street, travel to outside country. And the people are suffering. They cannot buy food and eat. And you are here painting their sin. Simple say that you are afraid to talk about them because not everybody will have the boldness to speak, to stand to speak against these evil people. If our politicians, those money where they stole millions of dollars, billions of dollars, those money where they stole outside Nigeria, if you say then they use that money to build factory, just use that money to help the citizens of Nigeria, Nigeria will be better than Dubai. And you are here painting their sin. Very dark man, though I know say you dey try, but stop painting the sin of our politicians.